Hello, how are you doing today? I'm at the Lake Elsinore launch point. Today is a special day. It's not about cooking. It's not about showing you different places. Today, I just want to say thank you very much for your support by giving me 200 subscribers and by you viewing me. It means a lot to me. Please continue to support me by watching my show so I can show you more different beautiful places and different style of cooking, because I've been all over the world and I want to be able to show you more things to see. I enjoy what I do. Also, sometimes I want to apologize because I'm not very consistent uploading videos because I do have a job also, but I try my best to upload more as much as I could. It's a rainy day today. It's early in the morning, but I was so excited I couldn't even sleep because I really appreciate all of you guys, really. Right now, I'm talking more about the Riverside, but in the future, I'll be showing different places also outside California, maybe. So for those people who's never been in California, at least you get a chance to go to different places like for a cheaper price, because like I said in the past, people thought that Temecula itself or Lake Elsinore, it's all about casino, but it's not about that. I mean, if you really like to travel, you like to go different places, there's a lot of things to see out here, and I know you're gonna enjoy it. We will continue with this travel. Again, for the last time, I just want to say thank you for your support. This is Dolph Faust, and I'll see you on my next channel. Please leave a comment below so I know exactly, give me an update what's going on. Leave a link below so if you like to see something in Lake Elsinore or Riverside or something, so I could have an idea where to go, you know what I mean? I just want to make sure I don't forget anything, you know what I mean? Because, I'm trying to give you a good gouge of everything, on all the beautiful places that we could talk about. For all those people that likes cooking, this is a perfect place for you to learn also, to learn and grow. Along with me, I could grow also by me talking in front of the camera. I'm just a rookie. I'm just a beginner. I'm not a professional. I'm just a regular guy who's trying to learn from my mistakes. Okay, that's all I could say. But again, and I can't thank you enough and please let people know about me, and we could go from there. And you have a nice day. See you again.